Everyone, I'm Aksha from grade 7B. Today I did a paper mash activity. Do you know what does mean by paper mash activity? Paper mash activities we need to do a toy. So I did a ball toy and it is so nice. I did this with the paper. Do you want to know the process? Yes, I know everyone want to know the process. So before that, the main ingredient of this making of this toy is paper. Now you might be thinking, white paper means so many papers will be wasted and so much money will also waste. But do you know, you will be having some newspapers in your home, right? Use them. Now you got a chance to recycle the newspapers. When will you get these beautiful chances and amazing chances? Now you got the chance. Use the newspapers. You know, with newspapers you can do almost so many things. You can do a wall hanging, a wallpaper, something. You can do different things with a newspaper. We can recycle every single thing into beautiful things. So from newspaper I recycled a toy. And you know, you can just play it or play with your sister, brother, siblings, mother, father when you are bored. It's actually like a ball, but the ball is little hard, but this is a little not that hard, but it's nice, so you can definitely play with it. So try using newspapers and make this toy. Now let's see the procedure. I covered the wall with the paper and I took this bowl and some papers. Now pour some water into the bowl and cut the newspapers. Actually you can tear it with your hand normally and throw that in the water. So do this till you get a little amount, and afterwards pour some glue into it and massage that with your hands. You just need to mix it with your hands. Do you see the water has changed into that white color? Now remove that water and keep that water aside. Now pour some more glue into it and just mix it. You know how much glue you put, that much nicely your ball will be. So yeah, and now remove the excess water which is there in the bowl. So whatever the excess water is there, I'm just squeezing the water, and now the water is empty in the ball. Now our paper is ready, right, to make a ball. So follow the procedure and make the ball with your two hands. Make the ball, and now choose a color to paint it so that it looks more nice, right? So you can go with any paint, you can just choose any color. So I thought I'll choose a red color. You can go with cartoonish, or you can draw anything on it and you can make it colorful or look beautiful and show your creativity up here. So I just wanted to be classy. Before that I painted with a glue water, and now I'm painting this with red one. And let this dry, and the ball is ready. Now let's test if he'll work or not. Wow, it's amazingly working. I just loved how it's just going into the air and coming onto a hand, and it's so nice. I absolutely loved how this ball has turned out. You can actually recycle everything whatever you have in your hands. So yeah, I hope you all will understood how I made this toy. Now, not only a toy, not only a ball, you can also make a bat, you can make something, you can make a pencil, anything you want. Actually, you can make anything that you want from a paper mash activity. With a newspaper, you can make anything that you want. So, is that amazing? So, yes. So, that's why I made a ball so that I can play when I am bored, and it also reduces the boredom, the procedure. When you do the procedure or when you play with it, it reduces the boredom, and also you'll enjoy a lot. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Said. Today I am going to make a paper ball. First you will need to take 4 sheets of paper. Now I am going to take this paper. Tear this paper into small pieces. I have teared the paper into pieces. Now I will pour some water in this. Now we should soak this paper with the water overnight. It's the next day. Today we are going to separate the water from this paper by sieving it, and we are going to pour some wheat flour in it. First we will need to mix it. Now I am going to sieve it using a siever. Now we are going to separate the paper. Now we will pour some wheat flour in it. Now I will leave it overnight so that the ball will become hard.
It's the next morning. Let's see the final result now.
We will microwave this ball for 15 minutes. the ball is ready.